Hey, what is going on, guys? So today we're going to be looking at the top 5 best laptops for under $1,000. This first one up here is the Dell XP13-9360. It has a new frost color option. Dell has updated the processor on it to give it a little more power and just boosted more in general. And Dell has definitely updated the battery life of this, and which I guess makes for an overall better laptop, because it's a laptop, and if you don't have battery, then it's kind of useless, and definitely the processor of a laptop is definitely super important, because yeah, if you can't process big files on a laptop, then no one's ever going to buy it. And so yeah, definitely a very good laptop. I've never personally had a Dell, but I have worked on Dell at school, which are kind of like the not so very good versions of them, and they're still pretty great. So, but I've never personally owned a Dell laptop, but I hear nothing but great things about them. HP Chromebook X2. I haven't personally owned a Chromebook either, but I've worked on them, and they're definitely, like the article says, more comfortable for a lap and better than a tablet with a kickstand. And they definitely are great to work on. They're super powerful, super fast. All you need is a Google account, and they work wonders. But for a lot of processing, they're still kind of small and still aren't very powerful. But definitely they are good if you like to work on the cloud and stuff through Google. Microsoft Surface Pro. Quad-core performance and bright display and amazing battery life. I think I actually was looking at this at the Microsoft store, and I think it was this specific one. I think it was this specific one. But I know the brand new ones come with a magnetic charger, which if you don't know what that is, let me explain. So basically, it doesn't exactly plug in like your phone or a typical laptop with the plug-in. It has a magnet on it, and it actually attracts to the charger. So definitely it is a great one. Great little feature on there. And I think the Microsoft Surface Pros, they come with video editors and yeah, all kinds of picture editors and stuff. So I think I'm looking at getting this one for my next laptop, or yeah, I think my next computer. So because it already comes with all the YouTuber goodies and stuff. So definitely a good little laptop there. MacBook Air 2017. This laptop has a full aluminum body, and it has a long-lasting battery. And the fact that it's an Apple is going to boost this laptop's reputability even more, because I've personally worked on Apples, and their display is amazing. And they definitely do respond better with more of the art side of things, so they are good art computers. And because they have a lot of storage and do have just amazing displays. So if you're looking for a good art computer, MacBooks are the way to go. Or just Macs in general. The Dell Generation 5 15-inch. This laptop is great for gaming and has great performance for gaming on the go. From what I looked at it, this definitely does have a very colorful display, very detailed display, so it definitely is a gaming laptop. So if you're looking for a great gaming laptop, this is the way to go. And this is actually the second Dell to appear on this list, so yeah, Dell does definitely make great computers. And so yeah, Dell is definitely a way to go with this computer. I personally I'm not much of a gamer, so I wouldn't know. So if you have one of these, comment down below and tell me how good these computers are, or if you like them or if you don't like them. But other than that, that's going to wrap it up for the video today, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next video.